Immobiliser Fit, and today protected this Land Rover Defender with a Starline Pro Immobiliser to protect the vehicle, and also a Scorpion Track S5 Plus insurance approved tracking system to satisfy the insurance company. How the tracker works, you carry this Bluetooth tag. If this isn't in range, or the tag's been taken out as it is here, and someone tries to start the vehicle, it's not going to start up, obviously because it doesn't see the tag. What it's got to do with this is simply have the battery in the tag, leave it on their keys, and the vehicle's going to fire up. We'll just show you that. Now start the vehicle up, you don't need to do anything with it, just be on your keys. The vehicle starts up and runs. This is purely to satisfy the insurance company on this Land Rover Defender. They're asking for it. This carries an annual subscription as well to track the vehicle, and obviously remote immobilise it, and immobilise it with this tag. For the customer to protect the vehicle, he's gone for the Starline Pro. So obviously if someone broke into your house, stole your key, done a relay attack, they had this tag, if they started the vehicle up and went to put it in gear, you're going to see it cut out. So we'll just let it start so you can see. As soon as we put it in gear, vehicle cuts out and they're unable to drive it away. So to disarm the Starline, which is a totally independent system, we can start the vehicle up, go through a push sequence of the customer's choosing. For now we have 1, 2, 3, just to keep it simple for the video. Here a disarm tone, and we can select our gear, the vehicle remains running and we can drive it. They can also pair their Bluetooth phone up, so we'll just turn the Bluetooth on. This phone has an adjustable range set by us, so when you leave the vehicle it's out of range. You don't need to toggle your Bluetooth on and off, but just for the video we turn it off. Now it's on, the phone's in our pocket, we get in and start, it disarms straight away, we can select our gear, the vehicle remains running and we can drive off. No need to waste time with a PIN code. If the customer wants to change this code, obviously that's very simple, we're not going to leave it like that. How they'll change it is they first disarm it, so without starting the car, so foot off the brake, turn the ignition on. System disarms because we have our phone in here. Then we're going to press the button 5 times, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll cycle the ignition off and back on, and we're going to get 5 bleeps. So we're just going to change the code to 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Get a double bleep. And that's the new code set. So that's how the customer can set their code. Obviously, they can do a combination of multiple buttons. It doesn't have to be simply 1 or 2 buttons. It could be any buttons they choose that are supported on the vehicle. So now next time they get in it, or their phone goes flat, they're going to start the car, go through their new code of 1, 2, 3, 4. System disarms and they can drive. This also has service mode that you can do in the app, so we'll just show you how that works as well. So when you take it back to Range Rover to get serviced, you turn the whole system off in terms of the Starline, and you don't have to worry about it. It's just a normal vehicle. Then they're going to be none the wiser that anything's fitted. So we're going to the app on the Bluetooth phone. When the circle's green, it means the vehicle's protected. If we press and hold till it goes to yellow and let go, we receive 2 bleeps, and now this is in service mode. So this turns it off, as I said. When you give it to Range Rover, just give them the key with the tag, and you don't need to worry about the vehicle stalling out. You don't need to give them the code or leave your phone in the vehicle. It's totally switched off. When you get it back, obviously you want the system secure again, so go back into the app, press and hold till it goes green, let go, get 2 bleeps, and the vehicle's protected again. So once again, this is the Starline Pro Immobiliser. To protect the vehicle, uses a push sequence and can be paired to your phone to disarm. And also, just to satisfy the insurance company, we've gone for a Scorpion S5 Plus tracking system. So this system immobilises the vehicle, obviously has tracking and carries an annual subscription. The Starline Immobiliser immobilises the vehicle, pairs to the phone, uses a push sequence, and obviously doesn't need a subscription. We're Immobiliser Fit. Give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We'll secure your vehicle. This is the Land Rover Defender. Thanks for watching.